Hey everyone, BMJ here, and today we're diving into high Legend League attacks on freshly updated Town Hall 17 metabases following the most recent update with those new defenses. Legend League is currently overrun with Root Riders and Dragons, so today I'm going to be using Mass, Furnace, and Fireball to rip apart these bases in this video. Since I'm just launching this channel, I'm giving away a gold pass at 10 subscribers, another at 100, and then 3 more when I hit 1,000, so do not miss your chance to get these. To enter, just make sure that you like this video, you subscribe, and then you drop a comment with your thoughts below. Thank you very much for your support, and let's get right into it. Hey guys, so more times than not, when your warden dies in the beginning, you're probably not going to get that 3-star, but do not give up. In some cases, you can salvage it, like in that last replay. One of those big things is just make sure your warden stays alive and that you don't send him right into one of those grappling hooks without being aware of it. Thanks again for watching and for your support, as it means the world to me. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment for your chance to win one of 5 gold passes that I'm going to be giving away. One at 10, one at 100 subscribers, and then 3 more at 1,000. If you want a different type of comment or a different type of content, don't be shy in the comments. I'm happy to switch things up. I can show you Town Hall 16s hitting the same type of attack, live hits, or can give a detailed explanation of exactly what my thought is for the placement and what I'm looking for. Now go out there and get some of these stars for yourself. Thanks again. Bye.